IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.3.4G, and this video is about monitors. So we're going to be looking at two different technologies. We're going to be looking at, we're mainly going to be looking at LCD and LED as well as OLED, but we'll also compare the LED to the CCFL and the OLED to the LED. That'll all make sense soon enough. But anyway, a monitor is a screen which displays an image generated by a computer. So this can mean like the screen right in front of you, or the TV in your living room or bedroom, or your smartphone. So anything that generates an image. So it can look like this. So most monitors and TVs nowadays use LCD, or liquid crystal display technology. And in LCDs, the front layer of the screen is made up of liquid crystal diodes. And these diodes are grouped in 3s or 4s, and these are known as pixels. The groups of 3s are made up of red, green, and blue. The groups of 4 are made up of red, green, blue, and yellow, and the yellow makes the colors look more vivid. Modern LCD monitors are backlit using LED, or light-emitting diode technology, which is designed to give the image better contrast and brightness. Back then, LCDs used CCFL technology as a backlighting method. So this is what I was talking about. So we're going to be comparing LED and CCFL, and then when we move on to OLED, then we compare that with LED. It's kind of weird, but whatever. What CCFLs use are two fluorescent tubes behind the LCD screen. But LEDs use a matrix of tiny LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, behind the LCD screen. This, I know when you read it, it kind of doesn't make sense, but I meant LED as in LED technology. Uses, it's pretty much. Anyway, here are some advantages of the LEDs over the old CCFLs. So LEDs reach their maximum brightness faster. That's quite helpful because you don't want to wait for the maximum brightness to... my grandfather has an old CCFL TV. Well, did actually. He doesn't live in his house anymore. He lives in a retirement home. But anyway, it was pretty bulky, and it was kind of annoying to have to wait for it to reach its maximum brightness. LEDs produce a whiter light. And it sharpens the image, making the colors look more vivid. And again, old CCFLs kind of look a bit grainy. LEDs produce a brighter light, improving color definition. LEDs last much longer, making their use more reliable, although I think the TV that my grandfather has still works. LEDs use less energy, which means that they produce less heat. And monitors which use LED technology, again, are much thinner than those which use CCFL technology. And now we get to OLED, or OLED, or Organic Light Emitting Diode technology. So this is an advancement of LED technology, which is a lot better than CCFL. So we're seeing like a lot of advancements here, and it's quite cool. So OLEDs use organic materials made up of carbon compounds to create flexible semiconductors. Organic films are placed in between two charged electrodes, which include a metallic cathode and a glass anode. And when an electric field is applied to the electrodes, they emit light. And this means that no backlighting is required, allowing for very thin screens. Actually, before we continue, has anyone ever seen like one of those really like those curved TVs in the shopping mall, or if you have one at home? Well, we'll get to that once we go here. So, OLED is a self-contained system, which means that there's no need for LCD technology. And as I was just about to say, OLED allows screens to be curved since they are flexible, and this ensures a good picture from any angle. So that's what I was trying to say. And due to its flexibility and thinness, OLED screens can be bent into any shape. And if this is applied to mobile phones, you can fold your phone and put it in your pocket or wrap it around your wrist. It's quite cool. Like imagine if you're like, you have like this really, really thin phone. You just fold it, put it in your pocket. Like, I mean, you can put phones in your pocket now, yeah, sure, but like, I'll think of something bigger, like a tablet, like an iPad. So you just fold it, put it in your pocket. Or like a really big TV, just fold it. Like, it's quite cool. Like if like this, we should see a lot of this in the future, hopefully. So there are advantages of OLEDs over LCD/LEDs because these two work together. So OLED screens are thinner, lighter, and more flexible. OLED layers can be made of plastic rather than glass, which means that they can be made into large, thin sheets. OLEDs give a brighter light, yes. When we said that LEDs are quite bright compared to CCFLs, OLEDs give a brighter light. OLEDs, I'm just going to say OLED, it's better than OLED. I kind of alternate. OLEDs don't require any backlighting because they generate their own light, and this of course means that they consume less energy. And OLEDs have a large field of view, around 170 degrees, making them ideal for TVs and advertising. So, yeah, all in all, pretty cool topic. Yeah, I think this is my favorite output device because it's just cool to think about how like we could see like foldable TVs slash phones slash tablets slash whatever. It's like, it's really cool. You could also do a lot more if you think of, like, try to think of a lot of things you could do with this technology. Like, you could, I don't know, like, put it on your clothing and, like, make it look really cool. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you're thinking what I'm thinking, but anyway, it's cool. It's a cool technology, and we should see a lot more of this in the future, hopefully.